triple. His ass. Can't complain at all.
I have extra money if anyone.
Excuse me. The burps just roll in, bro. Oh fuck. Oh my god, got that. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh fuck me. Someone dodge, please. Someone dodge. Oh my god, the burp compilation is gonna go crazy, bro. Oh shit. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh shit, you can put Viagra in it. Let's go. Horse semen, excuse me. What the fuck?